So before this video gets started, if you were an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make up to an extra $100 per month, you can now use the link below to sign up for Play Octopus and they will send you this box for free. And they're pretty much nationwide now, so you can sign up. And this is what they send you. They send you a tablet for you to put in the back of your headrest so your passengers can play games on it. Or they can just sit there and look at the ads. They don't even have to play the games. And you as a driver make extra money simply by putting this in your car for free. So if you're a driver for Uber and your Lyft, you have to get Play Octopus now. There's free money waiting for you. So use the link below to sign up. You won't regret it. Now let's get started with the video. Instacart shoppers are getting scammed left and right. You want to read this?
Yeah. I'm no longer able to shop and to work. Instacart shopper says she was scammed by a fake customer who got her account hacked. Wow, there's a viral TikTok.
Those are her nails. I thought those were like, I thought she was holding something. Or like throwing something in the air. How does she type on the screen with those?
I used to have nails that long.
No.
Yeah.
This is almost as long as her entire finger.
I used to get acrylics all the time.
No, but this is literally almost as long as her whole finger.
Yeah.
Like this one's longer than her thumb. Easy.
Yeah, that's the point.
What if you get in a fight? How are you gonna do a fist?
You shouldn't be getting in fights anyways.
Can you go like that with those? No, right? Didn't think so. Keeping up with Emily has caused viewers to express their concerns about hackers targeting Instacart accounts. A viral video grossed over 8,000 views? That's literally nothing.
Yeah, that's not a viral video.
My worst performed video views get more than that.
That's not viral.
8,000 views, oh my god. Wow. Call up the news. Anyways, I do feel bad for her. I know I'm kind of just messing around, but like this is very serious. She's crying hysterically, venting on camera how she got scammed by hackers while trying to complete a fake customer shopping request.
Aww.
That is pretty sad.
So like I'm sitting here in my car. I just been scammed by Instacart and I work for Instacart. How the fuck does that even happen? I don't like to make videos like this, but like what the fuck? Like I'm just trying.
Okay, I'm not trying to get demonetized here, but yeah, fake customer. I don't know why, like why.
Oh, so she was deactivated? Yeah, they disabled her account.
I don't know why she was deactivated though.
Well, okay, the scammers used hacker technology. They were able to pay her for the order, remove the batch order.
Huh. Use a fake 1-800 number and they just pretended to be Instacart customer service. So the same thing as the Uber one.
Oh,
They just called her and said, like, change your account or whatever, your account info. So yeah, if somebody calls you pretending to be like Instacart support, give me your password, give me your text, tell me what your 2-step verification code is. Like, don't do that.
Yeah, we need to raise more awareness for these scammers.
So we got thumbs up the video, guys. Thumbs it up. Share it on Facebook. Share it on TikTok.
Yeah.
Share this video on TikTok right now.
Yeah.
No, I'm serious, guys. Go make a TikTok account and share it because that's where you get all the views.
Yeah.
I better see Izzy and I on TikTok soon. Again, quick shout out to our sponsor, Play Octopus. Again, if you're an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make an extra up to $100 per month, you can use the link below and they'll send you your free tablet to put in your car and you as a driver get to make extra money. Use the link below. Talk to you guys soon.